A nucleotide is made up of sugar, a nitrogen base, and a phosphate group. Thyme is a nitrogen base found in DNA but not RNA. Lipids are different from other macromolecules because they are hydrophobic and don't dissolve in water. Glycogen, cellulose, and starch are all polysaccharides. Phospholipids and proteins are two kinds of molecules that combine to form cell membranes. Adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil are all nitrogen bases used to make nucleotides. The lipid tails are nonpolar and hydrophobic, which is a part of a phospholipid molecule. The 20 different amino acids used to make proteins differ in what is attached to their R group position. Cellulose is a structural polysaccharide that makes plants sturdy. One function of lipids is to provide insulation. People with diabetes don't make insulin to control blood sugar. A carbohydrate is made by joining amino acid subunits in long chains. Proteins are made from carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Nucleic acids are made from nucleotide subunits which store and carry information. Lipids are hydrophobic acids, oils, waxes, and steroids made mainly from carbon and hydrogen atoms. 3 examples of monosaccharides: glucose, galactose, and fructose. 3 examples of polysaccharides: cellulose, starch, glycogen. Functions of carbohydrates: good source of energy, strength, and structure. Nucleic acid: carry information, growth, and development. Lipids: energy storage, insulation, chemical messenger. Proteins: provide energy, dissolve nutrients, store energy, structure, control chemical reactions. DNA is a double-stranded, and it's made of A, T, G, and C. RNA is single-stranded and made of A, U, C, and G. DNA makes a hexagon, RNA makes a pentagon. Insulin, protein hormone that tells animal cells to store blood glucose as glycogen. DNA, double-stranded nucleic acid made from nucleotide subunits containing A, T, G, and C that stores genetic info. Hemoglobin, protein found in red blood cells that carries oxygen to the body. Glycoproteins, membrane protein with carbohydrates attached to the help cells identify self and plays a role in many blood types, organ transplants, and germ recognition. Phospholipid, macromolecule with a polar glycerol head and 2 nonpolar hydrophobic tails used to make cell membranes. RNA, single-stranded nucleic acid made from nucleotide subunits A, U, C, and G which carry information. Starch, storage form of glucose used by plant cells. Glycogen, storage form of glucose used by animal cells. ATP, nucleotide subunit made from ribose sugar, adenine, and 3 phosphates which store and transplant energy in cells. ATP, energy. Water, polar molecule made from 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen. Macromolecules that can act as enzymes are proteins. Enzymes speed up chemical reactions by, Proteins unwind or denature when placed in extreme pH or whatever.